Welcome. In today's episode, I keep working on the elevator. In previous episodes, I worked on the main hinge. Now I have to work on the hinge that's at the end of the stabilizer. Let's machine all the pieces. There is something really satisfying about flying chips, at least to me. Next, I prototype a support for the end of the horizontal stabilizer. I scoop out some foam to make room for the bearing support. Finally, I position it in place and check if it works. Looks like I know how to build ugly and heavy tails. I will definitely need to trim this a little bit to make it look better. That's all for today and more coming soon.